Hello friends, even though there's snow on the ground, I wanted to show you guys something. I subscribed, well, I signed up to get some chips dropped off from chipdrop.com, and I did today, even though we still have snow on the ground. They are beautiful. We have some pine needles there, but I don't mind because I use it as mulch also. I will go into my greenhouse, which I'll walk and show you guys. I kind of tested it out up here to see how it will look. I love it. I can't wait. Okay, I'm back. So I plan to spread that mulch all in that area, and I also plan to update my greenhouse a little bit, and I will put up a video of that in the springtime and show you guys how it looks once it's dried up a little bit more. Thank you for watching.